Welcome back to 60 Seconds with Sid. And in today's 60 Seconds, we are going to talk about what to do when the carbon monoxide detector alarm goes off. We do not specialize in it, and we should let the specialist deal with it. So, the first thing that we should do is take the people we love, take them with us, and just step out of the house. Close the doors, and once we sit in the car or once we are outside in a safe spot, call 911 and let the experts see what is the cause for the carbon monoxide detector to go off. Once again, do not try to solve the mystery yourself. Just step out of the house and call 911.